Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar closed the week near the 70-cent handle and at this stage is questioning whether the market can take the challenge lower. A couple of warnings are being seen from this pattern. One is a descending triangle, which if we do get a rejection from 69.40.60 could see a move back towards a region of 70.5 cents, with the minor resistance seen at 70.25. On Friday, the United States didn't back down from hiking tariffs on $200 billion worth of Chinese goods and hiked the rate from 10 to 25%. It has also been noted that Trump said that the paperwork had been initiated to levy another additional 25% on tariffs on a further $325 billion worth of goods. From a technical pattern, though, there is some divergence as well. So, although I do believe the market will test lower, just be aware in case we get another rejection after 2 and 1 posting a long-legged doji at 69.40.60. But a break beneath there would give further scope to the downside and bring in a target around 68 cents. The dollar index hasn't hardly changed its stance and presently is trading unchanged at 97.00. However, on the flip side, the euro is pressing on towards the upside and looking back at that resistance of 112.55.65. I do believe the market should again stage another round of supply, but do be aware that a break above 112.55.65 could see a move up to 113.25 to 45. But the RSI is a little bit to the top side of the range, at least to support and limit any rally, and therefore I do expect to see a rejection from here at 112.55.65 and look back towards 111.65 or maybe lower down towards the region of 110.70.85. As you can see, that my call to the yen strength has continued, with geopolitical concerns still with North Korea, Iran, and the recent new Chinese tariffs that have put a further pressure on the downside for dollar yen. At present, I look at 109.45.55 as a hold, but the two challenges could see one on the third break. But another rejection from there would at least give us a view back towards 110.70. Under 109.45, however, looks towards a region of 107.50 to 90. Still hardly a view holding at the moment on the pound, but a break of 129.65 will give further scope to the downside and bring in the region somewhere around 128.10.15 or to 126.70. Be aware that if you are trading from the short side, we could get a rejection still from this level like previously with the long-legged doji posted. As I mentioned, I don't have a strong view, so this is just speculative at present stage. The gold is still struggling at this level of 1,288. However, I'm not giving up hope at this stage that the bulls will break this level and move on towards the region of 1,300 to 1,324. Any pullback still sees a support region somewhere around 1,273 to 65 to 75. Finishing up with oil, still be on your guard if you're trading from the long side. The recent rejection from $60 a barrel could see another test, purely for the fact is that the RSI is failing to break through this midway point. Although I do expect to see another rebound from here, could see the challenge back up towards $62 to $64 a barrel. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report and hope you enjoy the great start to this new week.